How does optical fiber transmit light? How to transmit the signal? How does optical fiber transmit light? And how is the signal transmitted? Next, let's look at the working principle of optical fiber. When installing optical cables, installers use a laser pen. They go downstairs, shine it into one end, and the other end in the room lights up, confirming the light path is clear. So, optical fiber transmits light like a water pipe transmits water. Why can light propagate continuously and bend in thin fibers? Let's demonstrate with a bucket of water and a laser pen. The light is trapped in the water, following the flow to the bottom bucket. This is full internal reflection, the same as optical fiber's principle. When light enters the water's flow, it reaches the liquid-air interface, undergoes repeated full reflection, and propagates forward as the liquid bends. Why does full reflection occur at the interface? Because there's a difference between airs and the light guiding material's refractive index. When light enters air from glass, it refracts, increasing the angle between the fiber and the normal to a critical point, triggers full reflection at the interface. In the water example, full reflection happens at 44.35 degrees. For optical fibers, engineers made a pure silica glass core a few too, dozens of microns in diameter, and a silica cladding with boron or germanium, added to lower its refractive index. A 1% difference lets light propagate in the fiber. To make thin, long fibers, engineers placed a preformed pure silica core, cladding outside on a 10-meter high quartz fiber drawing machine, heated to 2,200 C. The preformed tip sags and thins into a bare fiber. After coating out curing, it's pulled by a roller and wounded at over 1,000 meters per minute. This is the drawing process. Humanity's first cross-sea fiber is TAT8, 3,500 miles long, connecting US, UK, and France cities. For seabed laying, its design is elaborate, 2.6 millimeters core with 6 fibers, a steel wire center, elastic buffer fibers, steel strands, and a steel barrel seal. The 21 millimeters diameter cable handles 40,000 calls simultaneously. How does optical fiber transmit information? The principle is simple. Blocking the laser darkens the fiber. Releasing it brightens it. Dark bright represents 0 and 1. Encoding information into O south and 1 south, transmitted by a light flashes, and the other side decodes the signal to get the message. The process is complex. Just grasp the basics. If you understand, like the video. Press and hold to appreciate. Send little flowers. See you next time. Bye.